Solve problems. Profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow. Problem. The figures below are balances extracted from the accounts of a construction company at the year end of 2021. Opening 1st January 2021. Closing 31st December 2021. Debtors 5,589 and 6,681. Creditors 1,684 and 5,465. Accrual wages 384 and 577. Accumulated depreciation buildings 40,000 and 40,500. Accumulated depreciation equipment 1,360 and 1,520. Overdraft 2,000 and 7,500. Buildings at cost 150,000 and 150,000. Share capital 100,000 and 100,000. Cash 7,470 and 14,649. Equipment at cost 3,400 and 9,400. Land 23,000 and 23,000. Stock 8,950 and 8,500. Other current assets 1,245, 1,350. Prepaid insurance 600 and nil. Profit and loss account 54,826 and 58,018. Receipts from sales 20,362. Payment to suppliers 6,289. Wages 2,327. Bank interest payments 400. Taxation 1,700. Miscellaneous operating expenses 1,862. A. Prepare balance sheet for the company at the year end. B. Prepare profit and loss account for these figures. Prepare a cash flow statement for the company during the year. Solution. Profit and loss account. On the credit side, balance brought down 58,018. Sales 20,362. Total credits 78,380. On the debit side, purchases 6,289. Wages 2,327. Bank interest 400. Taxation 1,700. Miscellaneous operating expenses 1,862. Net profit 65,802. Let us prepare cash account to obtain the new cash balance. Balance brought down 14,649. Sales 20,362. Total receipts 35,011. On the credit side, expenses purchases 6,289. Wages 2,327. Bank interest 400. Taxation 1,700. Miscellaneous operating expenses 1,862. Balance cash carried forward 20,433. Balance sheet. On the asset side, current assets cash 22,433. Debtors 6,681. Other current assets 1,350. Stock 8,500. Total current assets 38,964. Non-current assets land 23,000. Buildings 150,000. Less accumulated depreciation 40,500. Net cost of land 109,500. Equipment 9,400. Less accumulated depreciation 1,520. Net equipment 7,880. Total assets 179,344. On the liability side, current liabilities overdrafts 7,500. Creditors 5,465. Accrual wages 577. Total current liabilities 13,542. Share capital 100,000. Profit and loss account 65,802. Total liabilities and share capital 179,344. Total assets 179,344. Cash flow statement. Particulars. Working amount. Net profit 65,802 less last year's profit 54,826. Current year profit 10,976. Add non-cash expenses. Depreciation buildings 40,500 minus 40,500. Depreciation equipment 1,520 minus 1,360 160. Total 660. Total profit 11,636. Cash out in operations. Increase in debtors 6,681 minus 5,589 1092. Increase in current assets 1,350 minus 1,245 minus 105. Total minus 1,197. Net 10,439. Cash in from operations. Increase in creditors 5465 minus 1684 3781. Increase in accruals wages 577 minus 384 193. Increase in stock 8950 minus 8500 450. Decrease in prepaid insurance 600. Total 5024. Total cash from operations. Cash from operations 15,463. Cash from financing. Increase in overdraft 7,500 minus 5,000. 5,500. Total 20,963. Cash from investment. Addition to equipment 9,400 minus 3,400 minus 6,000. Net increase decrease in cash balance 14,963. Add cash at the beginning 7,470. Closing cash at the closing 22,433.
Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.